Then Lauren, what's been your favourite part of the holiday so far?
Swimming in the swimming pool.
Which swimming pool?
That swimming pool.
That swimming pool there? Why is that better than the one at SeaWorld?
Because, well, you can swim around in it and it's got frogs in the middle.
Fair enough. Any other favourite bits of the holiday?
Well, colouring on my balcony this morning.
Oh, you did some colouring, did you?
On the balcony this morning.
Right. Okay. And what about the theme park?
Your theme parks.
Did you enjoy cuddling all the characters? Who gave the best cuddle?
Dora.
Dora. I thought the cuddle you got from Elmo was pretty good.
Yeah, Dora and Elmo.
Right. Fair enough.
Hello, Mr. B.
And what would be your favourite part of the holiday?
My favourite part of the holiday, I like the dolphins. That was really good. And I've just had a lovely massage, so I very much enjoyed that. Spending some time with my husband and spending time with my 2 children and my husband as a family. Yes, Ben. So it's all been good.
And Ben. What's been your favourite part of the holiday? Ben. Spending time with Ben? Yeah? What about your cars?
And what about Wiggles World? Did you like Wiggles World? Yes.
What about the big blue bucket? Is that good?
Yes.
And did you like feeding the animals and the sheep?
Yes.
Would you say anything other than yes?
Can you say, of course?
Can you say, of course? Can you say, too much? Can you say, choo-choo? Choo-choo.
And who's this?
God knows. Who's this?
Who's this?
Come on.
That's right.
Who's